Again. Hello everyone! It's me again, Anne-nother vlog. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you another trick that will blow your mind. This is about how to generate different lots of certificates with different names. So let's get started. So now let's go first to the Excel and then type all of the names or copy paste all of the names of your student. So I have here 167 names. Yeah. And then save this to your folder. So the file name is names. And then after closing the Excel program, all you have to do is to put your design to the Word document, the design of your certificate. Resize it into your desired size and okay. Alright, so after that, all we have to do is to insert text box. Write the word names. Remove the background and then make it bigger. Resize it, and also you can change the font to whatever you like. Drag it here. And then okay, and then after that you just click the mailings, select recipients, use existing list, click it. Okay, now just find where did you put your the copies of the names of your students. Just click the Excel and then okay. After that, click again the mailings and then insert merge field. Click the arrow down, click the names. Okay, just delete this one. Okay, it should be like this, names, and then it has arrows at the sides. And then just click again the mailings, finish merge, edit individual documents, click all, and then okay. Alright, so here it is. All of the names are in your certificate. Okay, so let's see all of it. Alright, so just check it whether it's okay. Like sometimes the name of your students are so long or sometimes it's so short. Just adjust it. You just check it one by one and then it's all good. Work smart. Okay, that's it for today, guys. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!